This is the UHF350DR from Oricom. This radio will let you receive two different channels at the same time without the need to have two separate UHFs.
Hey boys, track's up here on the left. I reckon we head down and we can crack on.
The secret is in Oricom's dual receive technology. Why do you need that? Well, you can talk to your mates in your convoy on your main channel and monitor traffic channels or truckie channels on the other. Say for example you're driving through the Simpson Desert. All traffic needs to monitor channel 10 so you can listen out for any oncoming vehicles that you can't see over the next sand dune. With this UHF, you can keep an ear out for any oncoming vehicles, then alert your mates without even changing channel on the handpiece. Or, if you're exploring your local state forests, you can monitor the traffic channels for any oncoming logging trucks, but still talk to your convoy as you go. Also, check out how compact the die-cast metal transceiver is. This UHF has all the controls on the speaker mic, which means you can tuck the transceiver neatly out of the way. Perfect if you have a modern four-wheel drive and you're tight on space. Both the transceiver and mic have a speaker too, so it's really loud and you can select up to 96 different colours for the display to suit your style. The UHF350DR is a full 5-watt in-car UHF, which means it'll transmit just as far as any other in-car UHF on the market. Like all Oricom radios, they come with a 5-year warranty and are made in South Korea. The UHF350DR is like having two radios in one. So for more info, head over to oricom.com.au.